If you are new to the channel, then subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for further notification. Okay student, welcome you all to this new lecture on GATE Digital Electronics series. So today again we will be solving 5 questions starting from question number 11, 12, 13, 14 and then question number 15. Okay, then let's try to solve these questions. So if you see question number 11, consider the following sum of products expression is given, the equivalent product of sum they are asking. Pause. So SOP they have given, so we know SOP. So if you see these positions SOP, so it is ABC means 1 1 1, because it is 3 variables, so it will go 8 state. So it is 1 1 1 0, so you can see 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 0 1, correspondingly I have written 0 1 1 and 0 0 0. So what is this corresponding decimal equivalent? 8 7 5 3 0. So these are in their SOP, means all these outputs are giving 1. SOP can also be represented in this way, sum of mean terms, and each term is known as, where each term, this term is unknown at mean terms also. And POS is also represented by, because it is product, because you can see products, this into this into this, this into this into this. So it is the symbol of product, and each term here is known as max terms. This is the symbol, another way of SOP and POS. You remember this one. So these SOP means this in Carnot maps, all these were giving me 1. All these states were 1. But for if they asked you to write in POS, product of sum, so we write all the states where the output is 0. So these outputs are 1. So you write all the states which are missing there, which is not there. So from 0 to 7 which is missing, 2 is missing here. You can see 3 is there, 4 is there, 4 is not there, so 4 I am writing, 5 is there, 6 is not there, so 6. So these states are giving me 0 output. So these will come in my POS. So how to will write in binary? 0 1 0 4 1 0 0 6 1 1 0. So these will be written as A, B bar, then C, because it is in POS. So 0 is your normal and 1 is bar. So it is A bar B C and it is A bar B bar C. That is your option A. So this is the way to convert from SOP to POS. You write all the states and then you go for the missing states, which states you are missing. Either way, if this is given, then you go to this. If this is given, then you come to this. Okay, number 12, what they are asking, this is given, F is given, is a max term representation. That means it is a POS representation, POS, product of sum. Okay, where A is not, then the equivalent minimized representation. They have not asked you SOP or POS, but they have asked you to minimize. Minimize means you need to draw K-map. So from K-map you will find minimized expression. Minimization is better if you do in K-map. So this is max term. So let me write all these positions, which positions are giving me zeros, because it is max. So these all positions giving me 0, because it is POS. You remember this is POS, not SOP. Okay, or so it is a 4 variable K map. So you write 4 variable. You know the positions. If you write ABCD in position 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. So all these positions you mark there, or you can see from, you convert it into corresponding decimal and see 0 0 0 0, or you know which positions is which positions, then you put it in that way as per your convenient. I write in ABCD format, someone's write in ABCD here, CD here. So it depends on which format you write. You remember accordingly what is the place value of that particular cell. So this is 0 1 2 3 for me, 4 5 6 7. So all these positions I put in 0 0 1 0, then 4 0 3 0 4 0 5 0 6 0 7 6 is 1, 6 is not there, 7 0, then 8 is not there, 9 0, 11 is 0, 12 is 0, 13 is 0, 14 0, 15 0. All zeros I have put. So rest are 1. So rest I have given 1. Now you write in both format, SOP, POS, because in the options you have both options. Some is written in SOP format, some is written in POS format. So let me write it in this fashion and then see. So if I write 1 once, then this will represent me this one, because what is not changing here? A is not changing, so A bar, and here CD both are not changing, so C and D bar. And here from this to this, what is not changing? AB is not changing, so AB bar, and what is not changing, you can see D0 here, D0 here, so D bar. So check options whether you have, so your initial look will give me no options is satisfying with this condition. So let me remove it, let me calculate POS also, whether it is options may be from A and D also, that is in POS. So in POS, this is a octave, so you take octave, and then if you take octave, this one you can take quad, and then you can take quad. So all zeros are completed. Okay, so if you take this octave, which one is not changing? This AB is continuously changing, so here D is not changing, but D is 1, so in POS it is D bar. multiplied by next quad. So this is a quad which is not changing, AB. So it is A bar B bar, pause into, and then this quad if you take into which one is not changing here, A bar, A because it is 0, and here 0 C because it is 0, because you are writing in pause. 0 means okay and 1 means bar. So now if you see this one, now this one also doesn't match with any two of these options. So now you are stuck. Now you see which option is the closest one. Now if you see this one, this ACD bar is there. So option C is by far the closest. Out of these two, which one is or C? So let me see C through more deeply. If you see A bar CD, and here A B bar D bar is also there. A B bar D bar is also there. So you can take A B bar D bar common. A B bar D bar if you take common, then it is C plus C bar, and C plus C bar is always 1. A, because it can be either 0 1, it is digital. So if it is 0, then it is 1, 0 plus 1 1, or it can be 1 plus 0. So in either case output will be 1. So that means it is your option A bar C D bar. If you simplify option C, it will give you this answer. So C is the correct. Now if you come to 13, what they are asking, the Boolean expression, this is simplified to this. So this is simple, that's why I am not doing K-map, because you can open it using De Morgan's theorem. So if you apply De Morgan's theorem, what they are saying, De Morgan's theorem, if you take this bar and separate these two, then the symbol between them changes to plus to minus. So it will be A plus B bar plus C plus D bar. If you separate that bar, the whole bar I have separated into two pieces, one bar for this, one bar for this, then this plus will be changed to into product. So now if you again segregate this bar over there, so all the symbols will change. So it will be A bar multiplied by B bar, and then bar it will be B, C then bar it will be C bar, and D bar it will be D. So this will be multiplied. Again if you do here, it will be B bar then C. Then if you take product B and B bar, C and C bar, A into A bar, anything product, it is always 0, because it can be either 1 0. If it is 1, then it is 0. 1 into 0 0. If it is 0, then obviously it will be 0. So output is always 0. So 13 is D. As it was simple, so I didn't go for K-map. You can try with K-map, but there is no need, because simple bar it is there. So if you for K-map also you need to open this one, because you cannot directly write from here. So once you open this one, it will come directly 0. The output expression of the K-maps. Now you can easily do it. So you have done so many K-maps now as of now. So you can take which positions. This is a quad, and then you can take this is also a quad. So you try first for quad, because I told you K-map is a circular map. It is not cylindrical, also circular. Everywhere this is also connected with this. So if it is 1 1, then you can take the extremes, can make also, because these are connected from the behind. So if you take the lower quad first, so what is fixed here? A, then plus, because A B C they write A here, then B C, so A is the first. So you start with A, then these two, out of these two, A is continuously changing, and which is not changing? B is also changing, C is not changing, you can see, and it is C bar. So A plus C bar, that is your option B. The Boolean expression this can be simplified is, you can do simplifications methods, or you can if you are not, so, or you can go with K-map also. I prefer K-map because that's easy. You don't need to remember, or don't need to think which formula you should apply, because there are lots of formulas are there. So it is A B then C 0 1. So which positions they have given? They have given A B 1 1, then C they have not mentioned. So each one, either one. So C is 0. If it is 0 also, then it is 1. If it is 1 also, then it is 1. Then if they are asking A means A should be 1. So here also 1, these two column, and then it should be C bar. So B can be anything. So out of these two can be anything. So B can be anything. Then A should be 1 and C should be 0. Okay, that's what I have done. Then BC. A can be anything. Then BC. So A can be anything. Then B should be 1. So B should be 1 means this and this. Here both this B is 1. C should also 1. So this. So common of these two and this is these two. A can be anything. You can say 0 1 1 or 1 1 1. So now if you do, so you can do it like this. So this is the pair. So if you do this one, then which is fixed here? C is fixed, and out of these two, it is B is fixed. So it is BC plus, and from here it is AC bar. So BC plus AC bar, that is your option A. If you like the video, then press the like button and please give your valuable